Primetime News this evening. Carnage on the streets of Clarendon. 2 students among 4 killed in 2 separate crashes. Sentencing of child killer pushed back by 2 weeks. And roads in eastern Jamaica now in dire state after a week of heavy rain.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Janella Precious.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. Special welcome as well to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Coming up in business news, deadline to apply for reverse income tax credit extended.
And Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer?
Thank you very much, Janella. Well, poor batting and fielding by the West Indies that has allowed Bangladesh to take command of the second and the final test at Sabina Park. We'll tell you more in Primetime Sports later.
Thank you, Spencer. And Romain is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. The biggest change we are looking at this week is the winds. We do have a strong northeasterly regime. We are also expecting the wind speeds across sections of northern parishes to pick up to about 25 knots by the middle of the week. So we do have some small craft warnings that will take effect.
All right, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what has been your experience with the Transport Authority?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.